Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. CMAT 2023 dates are yet to be declared, but we have started with a daily CMAT preparation video series. So we had to take a break for 3-4 days because of bad health. But now we will continue with this daily CMAT series till the CMAT exam. Our target is to score 300 marks in the CMAT exam, and our main focus is on innovation and entrepreneurship and general awareness. So in today's video of innovation and entrepreneurship, we are going to focus on questions of stock market. They may ask one or two questions based on stock market, so we'll go through that. Okay, chalo, let us start with it. If you want to join our academy for MBA entrance exam preparation, do connect with us on the numbers given in the description of the video. I would highly recommend that you join our Telegram channel. It is a very good discussion group where students are clearing their academic and non-academic doubts, like which college to apply, when are the dates going to be declared, when will be the admit card declared. So it is the source of getting the information first. Okay. So do join the Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is in the description of the video. Let us start with the MCQs. Which of these is the function of stock market? So role of economic parameter, yes. Stock exchange, okay. Role of economic barometer, valuation of securities, providing efficient platform for trading, yes, all of the above. ये अगर आपको पता भी नहीं है, still we are quite sure that second and third are definitely the roles of stock exchange. So you can easily mark all of them. Which of these is the regulatory body for the capital markets in India? So capital markets in India are regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. How many companies are part of Sensex, stock exchange sensitive index? It is 30. So Sensex के part are 30 and Nifty के part are 50 companies. Okay, Nifty 50 हम बोलते हैं, वैसे Sensex में 30 रहते. Which of the following terms is not related to stock exchange? So knowledge process outsourcing. Okay, this is something like knowledge transfer. Net asset value, part of stock exchange. Initial public offering, national stock exchange. So obviously, option 1 is your answer. Then, when was Nifty established? National Stock Exchange 50. It was established in 1998. 1996. Okay, Nifty was established in 1996. A forward contract between a buyer and a seller entered on a particular date regarding a transaction that will fulfill at a later date is known as a future contract, right? It is known as a future contract. Future contract मतलब क्या कि भाई प्राइस आज फिक्स कर ले, मैं 2 महीने बाद डिलीवरी लूंगा, है ना? दैट इज योर फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इन सिंपल टर्म्स. मतलब अनियन का प्राइस है 100 रुपए किलो, आज 100 रुपए किलो के हिसाब से प्राइस फिक्स कर दे, 2 महीने बाद मैं तेरे से डिलीवरी लूंगा, तब प्राइस 80 रहा तो भी मैं 100 दूंगा, 120 रहा तो भी 100 दूंगा. देन फर्स्ट कंप्यूटराइज्ड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इन इंडिया वाज नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. Nifty and Sensex are calculated based on free float capitalization. ये ध्यान में रखो, ये रट लो. Free float capitalization के basis पे Nifty and Sensex are calculated. Which of these derivatives does not get traded in Indian stock exchange? So forward rate agreement, index options, stock futures, index futures. So index futures and stock futures तो होते हैं, index option भी होते हैं. तो forward rate agreement, this is not traded in stock exchange. Option A. Which of the following options is not available in India? So commodity futures, index options, index futures, commodity options. So, so the answer is commodity options. ठीक है ना? अभी options and future में difference क्या है? Future is जो transaction है, it is फ्यूचर मतलब ट्रांजैक्शन इज एग्जीक्यूटेड एट अ फिक्स्ड डेट. ट्रांजैक्शन एग्जीक्यूटेड एट फिक्स्ड डेट. एंड ऑप्शन इज ट्रांजैक्शन कैन बी एग्जीक्यूटेड बिफोर द एक्सपायरी. सो एक्सपायरी के पहले कभी भी हम ट्रांजैक्शन वो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन. एंड फ्यूचर, इट इज एन ऑब्लिगेशन टू कंप्लीट द ट्रांजैक्शन. ऑप्शंस पे देयर इज नो ऑब्लिगेशन. ठीक है, तो कमोडिटी ऑप्शंस इज नॉट द अवेलेबल ऑप्शन इन इंडिया. Which of the following statements is valid for mutual funds in India? So for mutual funds in India, entry load is allowed, exit load is not allowed, exit load is allowed in some cases, entry load is not allowed. So exit load is allowed in some cases. जैसे आप म्यूचुअल फंड लेते हो, पैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हो, तब आपका कुछ ट्रांजैक्शन होता है. अगर आपको कुछ चार्जेस लगते हैं while buying, that is your entry load. एंड आपको कुछ चार्जेस लगते हैं while selling, that is your exit. So mutual funds in India, exit load is allowed in some cases. The spot exchange rate is the exchange rate between two currencies for future delivery, for delivery at a particular spot in future, for immediate delivery. So spot exchange rate is the exchange rate between the two currencies for immediate delivery. Which of these markets allows trading of securities with less than 1 year of maturity? So that is money market. ना? मनी मार्केट में वो सब आ जाएंगे, बैंक्स आपके. ऑल दीज मनी मार्केट इंक्लूड्स ऑल द ट्रांजैक्शंस दैट यू कैन डू थ्रू मनी. जैसे बैंक्स हो गए, आपका एफडीज आप बनाते हो, ऑल दीज आर मनी मार्केट. सेविंग्स अकाउंट है तो. द लीडिंग सप्लायर्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन कैपिटल मार्केट्स आर गवर्नमेंट कॉर्पोरेशंस. ट्रेडिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स सबसे ज्यादा आता है ना, तो गवर्नमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन. द लंडन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज स्टॉक मार्केट इंडेक्स इज नोन एज फुटसी. जैसे अपने सेंसेक्स है, निफ्टी है, लंदन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का फुटसी. ऐसे आपको सारे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का निकालना है. जापान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का क्या है, हांगकांग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के इंडेक्स को क्या कहते हैं, न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को इंडेक्स को क्या कहते हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा. द सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ensuring fair practices by company. इन्वेस्टर प्रोटेक्शन के लिए तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. इंप्रूविंग द अर्निंग ऑफ शेयर होल्डर्स एंड प्रमोटिंग एफिशिएंट सर्विस बाय ब्रोकर्स, ये भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. ensuring fair practices by companies, yes. improving the earnings of shareholder, ये उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है ना, है कि नहीं. आप कैसे अर्न करते हो, कितना अर्न करते हो, ये सेबी नहीं देखता. Which term is apt to describe the payout made to shareholder representing their share in the company's profit? Dividend. ठीक है ना. Payout made to the shareholders. Dividend. Simple. In primary, है ना, बहुत सारे कंपनीज डिविडेंड देती है. ठीक है. In primary market, the property of shares that make it easy to sell newly issued security is called increased liquidity. Property of shares that make it easy to sell, है ना. सो इजी टू सेल है मतलब लिक्विडिटी इंक्रीज होगी ना. द मार्केट वेयर सिक्योरिटीज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर ट्रेडेड डायरेक्टली बिटवीन बायर एंड सेलर आर नोन एज प्राइमरी मार्केट, है ना. वेयर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर ट्रेडेड डायरेक्टली बिटवीन बायर एंड सेलर, प्राइमरी मार्केट. इन विच ईयर वाज डिड सेंसेक्स क्रॉस 5000 पॉइंट्स मार्क फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? 2002, है ना. तो 2002 में सेंसेक्स 5000 पे था. अभी 20 साल बाद 2023 में सेंसेक्स 60,000 पे है. 12 गुना हो गया रहता आपका पैसा. The headquarter of National Stock Exchange is located in Mumbai. The promoter of National Stock Exchange is State Bank of India, LIC, GIC, IDBI, all of them. ठीक है. Which of these trading individuals have license from the Security Exchange Board of India to operate in commodity derivative and equity market? So brokers and clearing members दोनों के पास रहता है. Hence answer is option A and B. The financial body that has been in that has asked intermediaries and companies to make regulatory payment in digital mode is SEBI. Okay. So financial body that has asked intermediaries and companies to make regulatory payments in digital mode is SEBI. In which market can entities under probe for a severe violation seek settlement if they compensate investors for their loss as per the Security Exchange Board of India guidelines? So in which market can entities under probe of severe violation seek settlement if they compensate investors for their loss? So this can be done in capital market. Okay. Which of the following statement is incorrect about Security Exchange Board of India? It is a statutory body. Statutory मतलब लॉ पास करके ये बॉडी बनाई. ठीक है. It was given statutory powers by an ordinance in 1992. It is a non-statutory body. This is false. No, this is incorrect. Which of the following might be a reason for stock market to lose value suddenly? A terrorist attack, the bankruptcy of a big company, fear of global recession. All of the above. है ना. कुछ भी इतने से ऊपर में से तीन में से कुछ भी हो जाए तो स्टॉक मार्केट अफेक्ट होता है. Which of the following is responsible for fluctuations in Sensex? Monetary policy, fiscal policy, political instability, all of the above. All of these affects the Sensex, and because of that, the fluctuations are there. Over the life of a derivative contract, the value of the derivative. Now, the derivative contract, the value of the derivative, it fluctuates with the price of the so-called underlying value of the contract. Okay. The forward exchange rate is the rate of exchange between two currencies that is prevailing today for immediate delivery would prevail at a future date prevailing today for future delivery. So that is your answer. है ना. फॉरवर्ड एक्सचेंज रेट ये है क्या? फ्यूचर जैसा एक चीज है ना. इट इज द रेट ऑफ एक्सचेंज बिटवीन टू करेंसीज दैट इज प्रिवेलिंग टुडे फॉर फ्यूचर डिलीवरी. फ्यूचर में डिलीवरी लेंगे, पैसा आज फिक्स करेंगे, लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज हाउ we have gone through 30 questions of stock exchange. I'm not saying that only 30 questions are sufficient to understand everything about stock exchange. But then from this, you can understand what type of questions are asked and then start preparing for stock exchange separately from your end. Okay. Or stock market separately from your end. So make sure that you prepare for all these topics which we are making a video on and keep your own notes. If there is any other topic on which you want us to make the video, do write us in the comment section. We'll definitely make a video on that. You can also connect with us on any one of these three social media platforms or visit our website, tarkashastra.co.in. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.